We know that you're really fascinated by space and things out there, cause that's why you're watching us since a pretty long time. But are you really sure that you know everything about it? Think about it once more. The physics duo is back again with a topic which will tell you more about the space. So, fasten your seatbelts as we move towards space to know the unknown.
Space is completely silent. Sound waves need a medium to travel through. Since there is no atmosphere in the vacuum of space, the realm between stars will always be silent. Worlds with atmospheres and air pressure do allow sound to travel, hence why there is plenty of noise on Earth and likely other planets as well.
Do you know that if two metal pieces of same type touches each other, then it will be permanently together? This is also called the cold welding. Actually, this helps in construction of spacecraft and other repairings in it. This phenomena takes place because of the absence of air and water, as these molecules let the metals know that they are different.
The position of the North Star will change over time. Navigation will be weird when Polaris stops being the North Star in about 13,000 years. In case you didn't know, Earth's axis goes through a motion called precession, which means that the planet's axis will change and trace out the shape of a cone, even if it's slightly. When this occurs, it takes around 26,000 years for the axis to trace out a complete cone shape. To add to this, Polaris, the Earth's current North Star, will eventually begin to shift positions as the Earth undergoes precession. In 3000 BC, it was believed that the North Star was the star Thuban, otherwise known as Alpha Draconis. In about 13,000 years, the star Vega will be the new North Star, but in 26,000 years, Polaris will return in its original position as the Earth continues to go through precession.
There is a volcano on Mars which is 3 times of Mount Everest, 600 kilometers wide and 21 kilometers high. Olympus Mons is the volcano which may be still active according to studies. It's the highest peak of any planet. However, the Reselvia peak on the asteroid Vesta is taller at 22 kilometers.
The largest asteroid in our solar system is a mammoth piece of space rock named Ceres. The asteroid, which is sometimes known as Dwarf Planet, is almost 600 miles in diameter. It's by far the largest in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter and accounts for a whole third of the belt's mass. Ceres' surface area is approximately equal to the land area of India or Argentina. The uncrewed spacecraft Dawn just finished up its mission orbiting Ceres and helping us totally transform our understanding of the world.
Can you guys guess the hottest planet in our solar system? Actually, it's not Mercury, it's Venus. You may think that it should be Mercury as it is very close to Sun. But the atmosphere of Venus has more gases, which causes a greenhouse effect, and the temperature remains high. The temperature is usually 864 degrees Fahrenheit or 462 degrees Celsius all over the surface.
There may be a planet made out of diamonds. This is pretty impressive. Research by Yale University scientists suggests that a rocky planet called 55 Cancri e, which has a radius twice Earth's and mass 8 times greater, may have a surface made up of graphite and diamond. It's 40 light years away but still visible to the naked eye in the constellation of Cancer.
The footprints on Moon will be there for 100 million years. Since there is no atmosphere on Moon, there is no wind and even no water to wash the footprints away. So, the footprints of Apollo astronauts, rovers, and discarded materials will be there for millions of years more until someone go there and discard it for purpose.
So guys, this was it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed some of the lesser known facts about space. To your amazement, these were just a few which we have mentioned in our video. But of course, we will be sharing with you many more numerous space facts. So if you liked this video, show some love and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Go follow our Instagram page. Instagram handle is given in the description box. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss any update.